Good morning, student. In the last class, we learned about the electric potential surfaces. Now, the last topic in the electric potential is the potential energy of a point charge and the potential energy of a system. And then we take the next point about the energy, that is, the two charges is placed uh, in external electric field, then the potential energy possessed by the two charges in the external field. The last topic is very most important, and the system potential energy of system is also important. Now we go for first, what is electrical potential energy. First is electric potential energy of a point charge is defined as work done by external force to bring an electric charge from infinity to that point, to a point against the force of repulsion or attraction. Between two charges. This is electrical potential energy due to a point charge. So, student, just we understood about the definition, what is says. Suppose we have a positive charge whose electric field around it, let it be in the x direction, is till a point A. Okay, student? And a test charge is at infinity, let it be q naught. Okay, now these two charges are positive in nature, or if I am making the second case for the negative charges, suppose this is a negative charge and the test charge is always taken as the positive, so they are attract each other, and in the case of like charges they are repel each other. So if they are like charges, so it is force of repulsion, and if they are unlike charges, so it is a force of attraction. Okay, now if the force due to this charge is acted in the positive x direction as shown by the arrow. Therefore, to bringing this test charge to point A, we need to do some work against the force of repulsion. So the external force is applied to do the required work is stored in the system from this point O to A, because this force is repelling this Q naught charge. But when we do some external work by the external force, then we find कि जो ये टेस्ट चार्ज है ये इस पॉइंट ए पर स्टेबल हो जाता है और अब ये मोशन नहीं करता. अगर ये मोशन नहीं करता तो ये जो टू सिस्टम का और ड्यू टू दिस पॉइंट चार्ज और अ टेस्ट चार्ज जो वर्क डन हम करेंगे टू place it at point A of this test charge. So the total work done is stored in this at this point. So this stored work done is converted in the electrical potential energy, and we define it. Electric potential energy of a point charge is defined as work done by external force to bring an electric charge from infinity to a point against the force of repulsion or attraction between the two charges. Okay, this is the electrical potential energy. Second, electrical potential energy of a system. Electric potential energy of a system. Okay student, now we understood first this. Suppose we have a charge at this point. Okay, suppose it be Q or Q1. Okay, now we have the other charges Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, like this. Now these all charges from this charge Q1 or point O are very far, as their distance is from it is at infinity. At all these points, these all are at infinity. Okay, similarly this one also at infinity. Now when we do some external work by the external force to bring them at the point at where it experience a force of attraction or force of repulsion, suppose this Q2 is bring at point A, this Q5 is bring at Q2. Where is Q2? Q2 हो गया. Q3. Q3 is bring at this point B. This is Q3. Q4 is bring at this point as point C. The Q4. And this is at point D is Q5. Now this will make a system. This is now a system of charges, and we observe the charges can never move whatever it is not allowed. जब तक अलाउड नहीं करते हम फाइंड करते हैं कि ये चार्जेस अपने लोकेशन पे बने हुए हैं आफ्टर द डूइंग वर्क अगेंस्ट द force of repulsion or attraction. So this whole energy which is done by the external force to bring them point A, B, C and D is stored in this system as electrical potential energy. So we define this electrical potential energy. Electric potential energy of a system is defined as as to bring all the charges to as work done, amount of work done, amount of work done to bring the charges to bring the charges which made the system at required position. At required position. This work done by the external force is stored in the system in the form of electric potential energy. This is electric potential energy. Student, there is one thing is noticeable. When the system is at infinity, they don't have any kind of energy, especially the kinetic energy. इनके पास kinetic energy नहीं होती. So when they are bring to point A, they are not able to move. Copy these notes. We can also define the potential energy to assembling the system, amount of work done to bring the charge from infinity to the present location, or to assembly the system with the help of the n number of charges to bring to assembling the system. Okay. Now student, we go for to derive the formula for the electric potential energy due to 2 point charges. Okay, suppose we have two charges. One is q1 at point A and another at infinite distance q2. Okay, now to derive the formula for the potential energy, we need to do some work against the force of attraction of repulsion due to charge q1 on q2 to bring q2 at point B from a distance. Student, this distance is r and it is written as work done against charge 1 to charge 2 in the direction of distance r1 to point charge 2. Okay, this is the distance r12. Now we use this. Consider a point charge q1 is kept at point A and another charge q2 at infinite distance Okay, student. So work done to bring q2 from infinity to point B is given by concept of potential at point B due to charge q1 Okay, this potential due to charge q1 is v1, which is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r12. This is your equation first. Now student, work done to bring the charge q2 to point B from infinity. Now work done to bring charge q2 to point B is the work done is given by this is q2 v1. Now put the value of v1 from first equation. We get this work done is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r12. This is the work done to bring the point charge Q2 from infinity to point B. Now, this work done to bring Q2 at point B is stored in the form of potential energy. Energy of 2-point charges. Okay, so copy this. This is lead to W21. Then after, this can be written as U is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is the value of potential energy of 2-point charges. Okay, student. Electric potential energy of a system. We have some point charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 which are placed at a location A, B, C and D. Okay. Their distance of separation from point A or initial charge Q1 is R12, R13 and the distance between the charge Q2 and Q3 R21, 24 and the distance of charge Q3 and Q4 is R34 and distance of charge Q1 to Q3 is Q2 to Q3 is R23. Okay. For calculating the formula for the potential energy of a system, by using its definition, potential energy of a system of charges is the total work done in assembling the charges from initial infinite separation to their present location. Okay. Now it can be calculated by using the expression of a system of 2-point charges. Okay, student, let Q1 charge is placed at point A and it will not experience any force, so it can be kept at point A without no work done on it. So it has no potential energy. But to bring the charge q2 from infinity to point B, we need to do work against the force of repulsion of charge q1 to charge q2. So we are starting from the same. Work done one minute. q1 charge is placed at point A due to it potential at B is experienced by charge q2. Therefore, work done to bring q2 at B is again the same. W21 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r12. Similarly, work done on charge q4 to bring from infinity to point D against q1 is W41 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q4 upon r14. Work done to bring charge q3 at C against the force of charge q2. It is W32 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 q3 upon r23, and W43 it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q3 q4 upon r34, and the last is W42. It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 q4 upon r24. Okay, student. Now, if there is n charges, therefore Wn is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 qn upon r1n. These are the values of the work done to bring n charges to make this system. Therefore, the total work done to bring to assembling the system. Therefore, total work done to assembling the system is given by W is equal to W21, W23, W41 and Wn. On adding all these, we get the total work done is I is equal to 1 to N, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Qi upon R1N. This is the total work done to bring the system in the to assembling this system. Now this total work done is stored as potential energy of this system, which is given by this work done is stored as potential energy. Potential energy of system, and given by U is equal to summation I comma j equal to 1 to n is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught qi qj upon rn. This is total potential energy of system. Copy these. Okay student, we are going to for the next point. Okay student, potential energy of a system of two charges in external electric field. Here two charges Q1 and Q2 are placed as separation R12 in an external electric field. Okay, consider an external electric field, in a region in which two point charges Q1 and Q2 are assembled at distance R12 and R12. Let V1 and V2 are potential at A and B. Therefore, work done to bring Q2 at point B against Q1 is W21 is equal to W1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is equation first. Okay. Now 1 minute, student. Okay. Okay, student, here work done to bring a Q1 at point A in external electric field. In external electric field is W1 is equal to Q1 V1. This is equation first. Now work done to bring Q2 at B is not only due to electric field but also against to work done against force of repulsion due to charge Q1. Therefore, work done to bring Q2 at B is W2 is equal to work done against electric field to bring charge Q2 at B is Q2 and its potential V2, and work done to bring the charge Q2 due to charge Q1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is your equation second. Now total work done is W is equal to W1 plus W2, that is Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is stored as potential energy. Therefore, potential energy to assemble the system AB in external electric field is Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R12. This is the potential energy to bring the two charges in external electric field. Copy this. So student, now we complete our this topic, electric potential. In the next lecture we do or learn about the capacitor and the principle of parallel plate capacitor, last topic of this unit. Thank you.